Sustainability is about fulfilling a contract we have with our customers. And that contract has been in existence for 140 years. When we make a promise, we fulfill that promise. And in order to fulfill promises, which can be 50 or even potentially 100 years in the future, our clients have to believe, and we have to believe, that we are a sustainable company, that we will be there in a century from now. And in order to do that, we have to have the right talent, we have to have financial strength, we have to believe in what we do for our customers, our mission, and we have to care about the communities in which our customers exist and in which we exist. I think that's what sustainability is. Prudential International Insurance has a real history of innovation. In fact, it was born out of innovation. So if we go back 30 years to Kiyosaki Sakaguchi, he said, we're going to change the way life insurance is sold in Japan. And he took the model that had existed for decades, if not over a century, with the life insurance companies in Japan, and he turned it completely on its head. And that was such a bold and audacious and daring idea. And it was successful beyond anyone's dreams. So if that's the culture of Prudential International Insurance, that kind of bold thought and innovation, it's up to us to try and continue with Kiyo's legacy of coming up with new ideas and new products and new ways of approaching clients in order to expand the business in ways that I think he would have been proud. The trends that are influencing our international strategies can be divided into emerging markets and developed markets. In emerging markets, there's a rising middle class that is in need of protection products that they've never been able to afford before. So we are trying to help those people understand the need for protection and then obviously sell them the correct products in order to give them the peace of mind and financial wellness that comes with life insurance. In terms of the developed market, there are a couple of things going on. First, in most developed markets, people are underinsured. We try and educate them on the amount of life insurance that they should have to provide them with financial security for their families. But secondly, in many of the developed markets, such as Japan, Korea, or Taiwan, you have an aging demographic. And there, we're trying to both educate our clients and then to create products to be able to help them during retirement as they live longer and longer. We're doing a lot of interesting work right now to meet the needs of customers in various countries. So I'll give you a couple of examples. First, in Taiwan, we took a retirement product that already exists in the US and brought it over to Taiwan. We had to work with regulators for 2 years in order to gain approval before we could even sell it. And now that we've introduced it to Taiwan, we also took it up to Korea, and it's now in Korea as well. So that's one example of helping an aging demographic with the challenge of lifetime income in retirement. Now we're also considering going into Africa. And there I would say we go back to our roots. And the need of many of the customers or clients in Africa is for small amounts of insurance for, say, funerals or minimal life insurance, which is precisely how we started here in the US 140 years ago. So in some ways, it's going back to our past in order to meet the future needs of clients, and that's pretty interesting. In many ways, we are stewards for the customers we have. We are stewards for making sure of the strength of this company, and we are stewards for those that will come after us. And so our responsibility is to make sure that this company is sustainable and as a result can fulfill the promises that we have made in the past and that we are making today.